All right, history buffs, gather around because today we're embarking on a fascinating journey through time. Today, I'm diving into the magic behind steam locomotives, those magnificent iron horses that once ruled the rails. Ever wondered how these iron giants transformed the way we traveled and connected the world? Let's break it down and uncover the secrets of their operation. First off, at the heart of every steam locomotive is the boiler. Think of it as a giant kettle, but on a much grander scale. You heat up water until it turns into steam, a process that's both simple and powerful. This steam is what powers the entire locomotive, driving it forward with incredible force. Now, how does it work? Let's delve deeper. The fireman shovels coal into the firebox, a task that requires both strength and precision. The burning coal heats up the water in the boiler, creating high-pressure steam that's ready to be harnessed. This steam is then channeled into cylinders where the real magic happens. Here's where it gets interesting. Inside the cylinders, the steam pushes pistons back and forth with tremendous force. These pistons are connected to rods that turn the locomotive's large driving wheels. These rods and pistons work in perfect harmony, converting steam power into mechanical motion. So, every puff of steam equals a turn of the wheels, propelling the locomotive forward. Simple but genius, right? This elegant system was the backbone of early rail travel. Next, let's talk about the throttle, the control center of the locomotive. The engineer controls the amount of steam entering the cylinders using the throttle, a crucial task for managing speed. More steam means more speed, allowing the locomotive to accelerate and cover vast distances. Less steam means slowing down, giving the engineer precise control over the train's movement. It's like the accelerator pedal in your car, but with a lot more steam and power. But what about stopping? That's equally important. That's where the brakes come in. Early steam locomotives used a handbrake, a simple yet effective mechanism. Early steam locomotives used a handbrake, which required manual effort to bring the train to a halt. Later models had air brakes, which made stopping much easier and safer, revolutionizing train safety. And what about that iconic whistle? It's more than just a sound. The whistle works using steam too. When the engineer pulls the cord, steam is released into the whistle. This creates that famous sound, a signal that could be heard for miles. It was used to signal everything from departures to warnings, a vital communication tool on the rails. Steam locomotives weren't just about power, they were symbols of progress and innovation. Representing the cutting edge of technology in their time. They connected cities, boosted economies, and changed the face of travel forever, making the world a smaller place. By the early 20th century, steam locomotives had reached their peak, dominating the railways. But with the advent of diesel and electric engines, their reign started to decline, marking the end of an era. However, the legacy of steam locomotives lives on in museums and heritage railways around the world, preserving their history. So, next time you see a steam locomotive, remember the incredible engineering and history behind it, and appreciate the marvel of human ingenuity. These machines weren't just about getting from point A to point B, they were about human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. Pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this dive into the world of steam locomotives, don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical insights. Catch you next time.